Grigg, Commercial Manager at Big THS. Uh, 18 months. Going into a new industry and being able to learn what I needed to do to be good in that industry. Maybe not achieving everything I wanted to achieve as I was younger. I would have progressed quicker to the goals that I wanted to achieve sooner, rather than taking too long to do it. People that don't deliver and do what they say they're going to do. Don't do anything that you wouldn't expect somebody else to do. Being successful and enjoying what I'm doing. As fairly new to the sector, I would say the openness from different areas to welcome people who have not been in the industry before to be in it. Taking out sort of some of the corporate big stuff that gets thrown around a lot. So making it more open to everybody, rather than sort of setting it out that, you know, the big boys have all the fun and the little boys just follow and do what they're told.